set. First we got underflat, 450 ratchet. Ooh, look at that color. And then man of the show, man himself, Shark. Bro. This is such a beautiful bait. Look at that. Ooh, time to put it together. Put him in the corner. Boom. Ooh, level bit. Look at that. Black level. This is so nice. We're gonna have 170. Look at that. Ooh, I love this color scheme so much. And then the man of the show, Roar Tyranno. Look at how that glistens in the middle. So freaking nice. Jesus. Boom. Let me put it together. Put it here. Put that bad boy like that. Look at that. Just look at that, bro. Yeah, I like this. I like how this looks. The aesthetic is so nice. And then the final one, the gear flat. Not full. Gear flat. Gear flat. 360? 360. And then man of the show. Ooh. I don't even know what to call this, so you guys just drop it in the comments. Let me know what to call it. But look at this. This looks like Jaggy. Yep. This is the final project. Yes, sir. What is this? Reaper Brave? Whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, Reaper Brave, I think. Yes, sir. Nice combo. That is a 3 there. Now we're going to open this bad boy, because he came too. So, yeah, you guys getting two unboxing in one. See if I can find out what you call it. Right here. Sorry. Oh, yeah, merge. The tallest, look how tall this shit is, bro. Wombo clap. Alright, we got merge. We got the 670 ratchet. Ooh, this is a beautiful color scheme. I like this. This is beautiful. And then we got the man himself, Samurai Caliber. Such a nice bait. I like it. I like it. Yes, sir. Let's put it together. Put it together. See how it looks. Boom. Look how beautiful that looks, man. Hold on, let's compare it to Shark. That shit is crazy. 37, 36, not bad, no. 37, not bad. So I guess it is. I think we get one of the heavier Sharks, man. Yep, 37. 9 grams. 2. 45 to 9. Flip it over just to make sure. 45 to 9. 36. 13. Not bad. Now remember, this is an Echo of Phoenix. So this is gonna be lighter. 612. And bit 264. 44. 35.76. Not bad. Let's flip it over just to make sure. Okay, 35. 635. Bit. 336. 4. 45. 49. 2.1222. Yes, sir. Ratchet. 617. And then the entire, I'm gonna do the entire. I'm gonna do it with the assistant. 37.52. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Full combo. 45.92. So yeah, not bad. So thank you guys for tuning in.